is the table workspace. And right now, you can see that we have one table already present. If you want to add a new table, there are two ways to do it. The first way is from the header. When you click on the plus button here, you'll see two options: Create Table and Create View. You can click on Create Table to get started. As soon as you click that, a modal opens up. Here you'll see two main options. You can either choose from templates or create a blank table. We'll come back to templates in a moment. The second way to create a table is from the sidebar. If you expand the sidebar, at the top you'll see a new table option. When you click on that, it opens the same modal again. From here as well, you can either create a blank table or choose from templates. Let's go ahead and create a blank table first. Click on Create, and this will generate a new table for you. By default, the table comes with a column called Name and a few sample records already added. Now let's look at the second approach, which is creating a table using templates. For example, if I select the CRM contact template, it already comes with predefined columns. Since it's a template, you don't have to set everything up from scratch. You'll see columns like name, email, company, phone, status, and last contact already created for you. Now let's go back to our original table. If you want to rename a table, you can simply click on the table name here. I'll rename this to User Contacts and save it. You can also manage tables directly from here. If you want to create another table, you can do that. If you want to delete a table, you can select it and click on Delete. For example, if I want to delete the CRM contacts table, I'll select it and click on Delete. It will ask for confirmation, since once a table is deleted, it cannot be restored. So you should delete carefully. Once you confirm, the table is removed. So overall, you can create tables, rename them, edit columns, and delete them based on your needs. And honestly, all it takes is a tiny command.